Next point is physical properties. Then first physical property, that is first one, it is nature of intermolecular force. First one, nature of intermolecular force. What is nature of intermolecular force? Then suppose this alkyl halides molecule, that is X. In alkyl halides molecule, this halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom. In this halogen having partial negative charge, and on this carbon atom there is partial positive charge. On carbon atom there is partial negative charge, and on this carbon atom it is partial negative charge. Hence this is moderately polar compound. This is moderately polar compound. Why it is called as moderately polar compound? Because on this halogen and carbon there is partial negative charge and partial positive charge. Then again we know that is size of halogen atoms. In group, halogen group, in halogen group, that is 17th group, the size of halogen atom, it goes on increase from fluorine to iodine, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. The size of atom, that is length of bond length of this fluorine to iodine, it is goes on increase. Hence this goes on increase, bond length. Here bond length goes on increase from fluorine to iodine. Hence size of Rx molecule, that is this CX bond, bond length of this bond, size of Rx bond, this also goes on, that is Rx, here Rf, Rcl, Rbr and Ri, that is alkyl fluoride, alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. This also goes on increase. This also goes on increase from fluorine to iodine. This is bond length goes on increase, as well as that is size of atom goes on increase. Hence bond length between alkyl halides, that is Rf, Rcl and Ri, it goes on increase. In this way it goes on increase from top to bottom. This also goes on increase from top to bottom. Then what's about the strength of this molecule? Hence the strength of molecule, strength of this alkyl halides, that is strength of alkyl halide, it goes on decrease from alkyl fluoride to alkyl iodide. As this bond length goes on increase, then strength of this alkyl fluoride to alkyl iodide, this goes on decrease, from this alkyl fluoride to iodide. This goes on decrease from fluoride to iodide. Also that is bond enthalpy. What's about bond enthalpy? Hence here bond enthalpy, this also goes on decrease from fluorine to iodine. This also goes on decrease from fluorine to iodine. Both are goes on decrease from fluorine to iodine due to their increase in bond length. As atomic size goes on increase, then bond length also goes on increase. Hence strength and bond enthalpy, it goes on increase. Then order of reactivity. From this order of reactivity, that is CH3F is greater than CH3Cl is greater than CH3Br is greater than CH3I. This is the order of bond length and bond strength in alkyl halides. in competitive exam, this sequence or this order is always asked, that is bond enthalpy in alkyl halide is dash dash dash, and there are 4 options. One of these option is CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br and CH3I. Or also question asks, that is bond strength in alkyl halide. Order of bond strength in alkyl halide is dash dash dash. Again there are 4 options. Which 4 options? Then one of this option is, that is CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br and CH3I. This order, this is the most important for this our CET, NEET and JEE. That is bond order, alkyl halides bond order of bond enthalpy and bond strength. It goes on decrease from fluorine to iodide. That is alkyl fluoride to alkyl iodide. This is about, that is first point, nature of intermolecular force. The next point, that is boiling point. Next point of this physical property is boiling point. Second point, boiling point. So notes about boiling point. That is first point in this boiling point, that is this is increase, boiling point increase with increase in molecular mass. This boiling point increase with increase in molecular mass. That is, this is also, that is alkyl higher than alkyl halides having higher molecular boiling point than that of corresponding hydrocarbons. For example, that is methane. Methane having higher boiling point, lower boiling point than that of methyl halides. That is maybe methyl chloride, bromide, iodide or fluorides. That is methane having lower boiling point than that of methyl halides, alkyl halides. This is first point, that is increase molecular mass. Then second one, that is boiling point increase with carbon atom. Increase with carbon atom. Increase with carbon atom in same molecular, same halogen atoms. That means Ri, alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, the second point, that is increase with carbon atom in same molecule. For example, same alkyl halide, suppose this CH3Cl, this is having lower boiling point than that of C2H5Cl, these are having lower boiling point than that of C3H7Cl, and these are also having lower boiling point than that of C4H9Cl. This is as carbon number increase, then boiling point also goes on increase. In this compound there is only one carbon atom. In this compound there are 2 carbon, here 3 and 4. That is number of carbon atom goes on increase, hence boiling point also goes on increase. Then it decrease with, third point of this boiling point, that is it is decrease with number of branching. It is decrease with number of branching in isomeric form, in isomeric compound or isomeric form. For example, suppose CH3, CH2, 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 then here CH2, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2Cl. Suppose this is one molecule, that is name of this compound is N-chloropentane. N-chloropentane, that is this chlorine atom is at, that is first carbon atom. Then second molecule, suppose CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Name of this compound is, that is Here also there are 5 carbon atoms. Then third compound, that is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, Cl. These three are isomers of this chloropentane. In all these compounds there are 5 carbon atoms, then having same molecular formula but different structural formulae. These three are isomeric structure. Then this decrease with number of branching. In this first compound there is a straight chain, there is no branch here. On this second molecule there is one branch on this second carbon atom. On this second carbon atom there is one branch, and in third molecule there are 2 branches on this second carbon atom. In first compound there are 1 branch, hence boiling point of this compound is higher than that of N-chloropentane. Then this isochloropentane, that is pentane, these are having again less boiling point than that of neochloropentane. Name of this compound is neochloropentane. Here there is only 1 branch, here there are 2 branches. Then what is reason of this order? This is also asked in MCQs, that is order of, in isomeric form, that is order of boiling point of the compounds are, that is one of these, that is objective here, that is N-chloropentane having lower boiling, higher boiling point than that of secondary, than that of tertiary. That means as number of branching goes on increase, their boiling point goes on decrease. Then what is reason? Here, see here, there is surface area is higher than that of the secondary compound. Here surface area is lower than that of this molecule. Here also there is surface area is lower than that of secondary molecule. As the surface area is higher, then in this molecule van der Waals force in this molecule and surface area is higher than that of this secondary molecule. Again in this secondary molecule there is van der Waals force is higher than that of tertiary molecule. In this way these are here boiling point goes on decrease as number of branching goes on increase. The next point of this boiling point is also, that is in aromatic compound, in divalent compound, this is third point. Then fourth point, that is in divalent aryl compound or aromatic compound. Suppose this first molecule, here 2-chlorobutane, 2-chloromethane, 2-chlorobenzene, 1,4-dichloro, here 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Then second molecule, that is 1,3,1,2-dichlorobenzene. Suppose here chlorine atom, here second chlorine atom. Name of this compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. And third molecule, that is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Suppose here first and third position 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Then such type of compound in this sequence, that is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, 1,2-dichloro and 1,3-dichlorobenzene, these three compounds having boiling point nearly same. This boiling point is nearly same of these three compounds. But melting point of this 1,4-dichlorobenzene is higher than that of, that is this 1,2 and 1,3-dichlorobenzene. This 1,4-dichlorobenzene is having higher boiling point, melting point than that of 1,2 and 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Then what is reason here? That is these are having symmetrical structure. This 1,4-dichlorobenzene, it having a symmetrical structure. Due to this symmetrical structure, these are having higher melting point. But boiling point of this, all these three molecules are nearly same. Then this is about, that is physical properties. And last point, that is fifth point of this physical property is solubility. Then what is about solubility? These are alkyl halides are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Solubility, that is soluble in organic solvent. These are only soluble in organic solvent and these are insoluble in water. Then all these points, this is about, that is physical properties of halogen derivatives.